Assalamualaikum students, hope you are all fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to start our exercises on workbook of the chapter A Flash of Light. Let's start from exercise A, though it is easy. You have learned how to join sentences by using conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that are used to join two words, sentences or phrases. Let's have a look on the examples given here. The sun was shining and we played cricket. Here and is a conjunction which is joining two sentences. The sun was shining, so we played cricket. Here our conjunction is so, which is joining two sentences, and they have used a comma before conjunctions. You can put this comma here, or you can also skip it. We played cricket as the sun was shining. Here our conjunction is as. We played cricket since the sun was shining. Here since has been used to join two sentences. There are many ways of using conjunctions. Sometimes we can change the order of the words. For example, the man stayed in bed because he was ill. Here because has been used in the center of the sentences to join them. Because he was ill, the man stayed in bed. Here because has been used at the start of the sentence, and a comma has been put between the sentences. Note the use of the comma between the two sentences. You have to put it here when we are using conjunction at the start of sentence. A1. Join the following statements in two ways by using conjunctions. Here though has been given, which we have to use to join the sentences. He is poor, he is very generous. He is very generous, though he is poor. Next time we will put conjunction at the start. Though he is poor, he is very generous. Let's solve the exercise. First sentence is he is very tall, he is young. He is very tall, although he is young. Second time we will put the conjunction at the start. Although he is young, he is very tall. Don't forget to put the commas. B. He arrived at the market. He found he had no money. Let's join them. He found he had no money after he arrived at the market. The second example is after he arrived at the market, he found he had no money. You have to put a comma here. Come to page number 59. We stayed at home. It was raining. Let's join them. We stayed at home since it was raining. The second is since it was raining, we stayed at home. D. I like books. I spend my free time in the library. Let's join them. I spend my free time in the library as I like books. Second time we will put conjunction at the start. As I like books, I spend my free time in the library. Don't forget to put comma here. Let's move towards the next exercise B, direct and indirect speech. Today we solved the exercise related to direct and indirect speech in your books. Now we are moving to the exercise B1 on your workbooks, which is related to direct and indirect speech. Let's have a look on the examples first. She said, "Thank you." It is direct, and indirect sentence will be he thanked me. The next is she said, "How pretty." It is an exclamatory sentence, so we will use exclaimed. She exclaimed that it was pretty. Now let's move towards the exercise. Try to change the following into indirect speech. A. He said good morning. Good morning is a wish, so we will say he wished me a good morning. B. Why? How lovely that dress is, she said. It is an exclamatory sentence, so we will start with she exclaimed. She exclaimed that it was a lovely dress. Because our reporting speech is in past, so we will use was to change the sentence into past, that it was a lovely dress. C. Congratulations on getting married, he said. He is congratulating, so we will start he congratulated me on getting married. D. You are a real hero, he said. Here they have given a hint that we have to use shouted. He shouted that I was a real hero. Here we will change it into past. R is present and we will write the was to change it into past. He shouted that I was a real hero. E. Have a pleasant day. She said. Again it is a wish, so we will write she wished me a pleasant day. F. Well done, he said. Again it is an exclamatory sentence, so we will write he exclaimed that I had done well. Because it is in past, reporting speech in past, so we will have to change it into past. So we have used had. I had done well. Many thanks, he said. Many thanks. Here he has thanked for 2 times, so we will change it into indirect speech as he thanked me repeatedly. They have also given a hint here. What luck, he said. Again it is an exclamatory sentence, so we will use exclaimed. He exclaimed that it had been luck. I hope you have understood the exercises. Solve them on your workbook and learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.